Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be building a log shack or log holder using wood I got from my workplace, which was all scrap. I did the easy part of waterproofing it and drilling it in. Also made stone bits for them to sit on. And I'm just gonna see how this fits. I wanted it this way. Okay, that was the easy part. Well, there's our base frame. Forgot I need the longer screws. Nah. And we're just gonna join these at random spots. Look at that. Go team go. I did forget to build a frame. Oh well, I can fix that. And now we got this. Frame is done. There we go. We just make a quick mark. And we get a round saw. And done. Now she fits. Good enough. Hey, now we do the flat boards. Okay, there we go. Yeah, you keep laughing. Me. Da-da-da-da. Look at them clean cuts. Oh, that's not right. That wasn't the right size. And there we go, and that's our floor frame. Now we're gonna put all of these on. Then we gotta measure it, because I'm gonna have to figure out how many of these boards and how much I'm gonna have to cut. This is all scrap wood from work. Not gonna bother sanding it, just leave it. Hey, it fits. Oh, I think I have a thinner one. And there's the base plates. Except for that little gap, I'll have to measure and get out a couple of short ones. And we can put all of those logs and from those buckets and put them all here. Excuse me while I get some gloves. And there you go. That's our little firewood cage. And just still got to fix the back up, but I left space for that. And I'll have to install some extra bracings just to make sure this stays safe. But the back of it's all right. Front of it's all right. And there you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.